Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Aweber affiliate link setup for email list growth, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Aweber affiliate link for email list growth, start by logging into your Aweber account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the Once you're logged in, locate the affiliate tab in the main menu. Click on this tab to access the affiliate settings. Here, you will find your unique affiliate links provided by Aweber. Copy this link to your clipboard. Next, navigate to the Sign Up Forms section found in the main menu. Click Create a Sign Up Form to start a new form. Choose a template that fits your branding and click on it. Edit the form by adding fields like name and email address. You can also customize the design to match your website. Once satisfied with the form, click Save Your Form. This is where you can include your Aweber affiliate link. Make sure to craft an engaging message encouraging them to check it out. Now, grab the HTML or JavaScript code provided for your sign-up form. You can integrate this code into your website wherever you want the sign-up form to appear. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, you can easily paste the code into a widget or post. Next, make sure your email list is set up in Aweber. Go to Lists in the main menu and ensure you have your desired list ready. Once everything is set up, consider creating an email campaign. Remember to value quality content over merely promoting products. Once your email is prepared, schedule or send it to your list. Monitor your click-through rates to see how effective your affiliate links are. Adjust your strategies based on the performance data to optimize growth. With patience and consistent effort, you can effectively grow your email list using your Aweber affiliate link. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.